Welcome to the tutorial on how to build auto-remediation pipelines in minutes with Kahola. We selected an example where the MongoDB storage is full and the alert is generated by Datadog. It automatically triggers a workflow that dumps MongoDB database, transfers data to S3 AWS bucket, and frees the storage in MongoDB. Please note that scripting such a remediation pipeline would have taken hours or even a full day, while using Jenkins or another similar tool. Also, alerts in Kahola can come from any system. You can connect to the Dynatrace, Splunk or Logic Monitor. Let's start pipelining. At first, let's search for the command line plugin and drag and drop it into the canvas. Next, do the same with MongoDB plugin and then search for Amazon S3 plugin. Drag and drop it to the canvas. At the end, let's search for the Slack plugin. When each plugin is already on the canvas, let's connect them with an arrow to create a workflow. It's time to specify actions of each plugin. Click on the first one and decide on the method it will use. Select the execute command one and pass the command string in the plugins field. This action will make sure that with every triggering of a pipeline, a folder containing dumped data from dumping MongoDB database to the Kahola agent will be empty. This action will prevent any unwanted data from appearing in the S3 bucket. Click on the MongoDB plugin and choose method for it called dump MongoDB. Provide all the necessary information, which is database URL, output path, and any other parameters that you would like to pass. Moving on to another step of a pipeline. Again, choose a method called execute command and type in the plugins field, command allowing you to zip and save data dumped by MongoDB. Remember to specify a path in the Kahola agent where you want your data to be saved. Click on the Amazon S3 bucket action and choose method called createBucket. Now, provide a name for your new S3 bucket that will be created by a pipeline. In this step, we will upload our files from Kahola agent to AWS bucket. Choose method called upload files to the bucket. Specify which bucket the plugin needs to upload files to and provide a path on the agent to the file that will be uploaded. As the destination object path, we will use function that will create a return path based on the date of Kahalo pipeline execution. So let's move now to the main code layer of the pipeline and create a simple timestamp JavaScript code piece. It gets connected to the action by the plugins field. At this point, we will send a notification on the Slack. Choose the method called send-a-message-to-channel and, as a text, use a payload of an action. In this moment, you can connect Kahalo to your Slack account and be notified every time the pipeline execution will be completed and your data sent to the S3 bucket. In the command line action, choose Execute Command method and specify a command. This one will remove contents of the temporary folder that gets created on the Kahalo agent while the pipeline is being executed. All the steps of pipeline has been filled up. Now it's time to change display names of the actions. It will make it easier for others to understand what your pipeline is about. To make pipeline execution automatic, we will set up a Datadog trigger. In order to do that, go to the Assets and create a new trigger. Give it a name and pick the trigger type called Datadog trigger. Copy the webhook value and pass it to your Datadog account. Okay, we're all set, so let's now run a test in Datadog. If you move to the AWS, you can see that a new S3 bucket containing data from MongoDB have been created. We're all set for now. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next Learning Kahalo tutorial. Bye!